Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this really awesome tool that I just got or stole online, and then I also want to show you how to make it so that the students can see a Google slide or a presentation like this but not change anything, so automatically comes up in presentation mode for them every time. So this is a weekly planner that I found, and you can go through and just edit anything that you want, but basically you could create this for your students and make it a link so that they can click on it. You can change it, you can update it, but all they see is the presentation of this and not what you're seeing here, which is the edit. So what you would do is you would go through and just add in what your objectives are for the class or what they need to do for those days. I love these tabs over here. You can click through and add like links or extras or resources for them, and it's all right in this slide. So down here at the end are the links or the extras or the specialty. So what you would do is you would go through and edit this. You may want to change it, give it a name like week 1 or the date, and then what you're going to notice is up here, let's see if I can move this, you have the web address here. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy that. So I'm going to Control C. And then you're going to go to this website called tinyURL, and you will notice that down here you can take a very long URL and make it short. So I'm going to Control V, paste it in, but then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and you'll see there's this word edit. I'm going to take the word edit out and put the word present in and leave everything else the same. Then I'm going to hit make a tiny URL. Here it is right here, and you can copy it to your clipboard. So now you can see here that it was copied. And then when you open that URL, like you could post it in Google Classroom or email it to your students, and they're going to put that into their browser bar. Boom. Here's the entire agenda for them in presentation mode, and they cannot edit anything that you've already written. So it's perfect. It's great for planning purposes, and you can put it in Google Classroom, and you can actually pin it to the top of your Google Classroom so that every week they go in and they just click on it, and here's everything that they need. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Have a great school year.